In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create DuckDuckGo email. By the end of this video, you'll have a personal @duck.com address set up and forwarding to your regular inbox, fully confirmed and ready to use. First, go to the site. Open your web browser, click in the address bar, type duckduckgo.com/email, and press enter. Wait for the DuckDuckGo email protection page to load so you're on the official setup screen. Next, click Get Started. If you see any brief introduction screens, click Next to continue. Keep moving forward until you reach the setup form. Now accept the privacy policy. Look for the checkbox or the Accept button related to DuckDuckGo's terms and privacy policy. Read through the summary if you want, then select the checkbox or click Accept. This step is required to continue, and you can proceed confidently knowing it's the standard service agreement. From here, type your Duck address. In the field labeled something like Choose your Duck address or your @duck.com address, click once and type the exact address you want. This is the part that appears before @duck.com. Pick something simple and memorable. It must be unique, so if the one you want is taken, adjust it slightly and try again. Take a moment to double-check the spelling now, because this personal DuckDuckGo email is what you'll share with others. Next, enter the email that can forward to it. Find the field for your forwarding address, click in it, and type your existing email where you want messages to arrive, such as your main Gmail, Outlook, or another inbox you check every day. This is where DuckDuckGo will forward any messages sent to your @duck.com address. Carefully review the forwarding email for typos because the verification message will be sent there. Once that's done, confirm and verify. On the setup page, click the button to continue. This may say Create, Next, or Finish depending on the screen. Now switch to your forwarding inbox. Open the new email from DuckDuckGo. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder, then return to your inbox view. Inside the message, click the Verify or Confirm link. This links your @duck.com address to your forwarding inbox and completes the setup. After clicking the verification link, return to the DuckDuckGo tab. You should see a confirmation on the screen that your DuckDuckGo email is ready. If there's a final Confirm or Done button, click it to close the setup. At this point, your DuckDuckGo email address is active and forwarding is working. Any email sent to your new @duck.com address will arrive in the forwarding inbox you entered. If the page offers a brief reminder of your @duck.com address, take a second to note it down exactly as shown. If the verification email hasn't arrived after a short wait, make sure the forwarding email you typed is correct. Refresh your inbox and look in spam. Then return to the DuckDuckGo page and use the option to resend the verification if it's visible. Once you've clicked the verification link successfully, you're finished. Now that everything is set up, you can start sharing your @duck.com address wherever you need an email, and DuckDuckGo email protection will forward messages to your chosen inbox. You can manage messages from your forwarding inbox just like any other email. If you ever see a confirmation banner on the page, it's simply confirming that the address and forwarding are connected. Your DuckDuckGo email is now created, confirmed, and ready to use. For more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.